Hi guys and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. We're back here once again with a brand new video. And the Black Friday deals have just started, and today we're gonna be talking about Autel Robotics and all of the products that they currently have on their Black Friday sale, which I can tell you right now are really appealing. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here. And if you're watching this video and subscribe yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video, which will be quite exciting. So every year, companies like DJI and Autel Robotics like to go ahead and do their Black Friday sale. Now, normally, for example, DJI, they really don't give any major discounts on their drones itself. They normally do it on their action cameras, on their gimbals, and stuff like that. But Autel this year is coming in clutch with some insane discounts, and probably some of the best discounts I have seen in the past, I would say 5 years. So this sale is going to be running from the 11th of November, which has now started, and it's going to be running all the way to December the 5th. So you guys have some time to get some money gathered in order to go ahead and get yourself an Autel robotics drone if that is what you want. So these drones are going to be including, of course, the Autel Nano, the Nano Plus, and of course it's going to be including the Autel EVolite Plus. Now, these are some great alternatives to DJI drones, and particularly the price point that they come after the Black Friday discount, which are going to be up to 35%. So go ahead and kick things off with the first drone, and this is going to be, of course, the EVolite Plus. This is a drone which is going to be having some insane quality, and the normal price normally $1,549, and with the Black Friday sale it's going to be just $1,079, which in my opinion is a phenomenal deal. Now if you're going to go ahead and get yourself the Fly More combo, which is what DJI offers, you can also do that, and for the EVolite Plus as well, and the price for that one is normally $1,850, and with the discount it's just $1,200, which puts it just in par with how much an AirTouch right now with the Fly More combo will be. Now the quality and the materials used on the EVolite Plus are really don't even compare with the materials found on the Air 2 and the AirTouch. This drone uses carbon fiber. I mean, this uses some really high quality material. So that is EVolite Plus, which in my opinion is a phenomenal option if you're looking for a drone of that category. Now, if you want to go ahead and maybe get a little something a bit more cheap, but still get a great camera, Autel has got you covered, and that is because they offer the Evo Nano Plus with the standard bundle. The normal price is $949, and with the discount it's going to be coming at $659, and this does not matter what color you go for, and this puts just in part pretty much with the price of the Mini 3 Pro. So this is a pretty fair comparison, and I think if you guys wanted to go ahead and buy an Autel in the past but they were too expensive, this might be your opportunity. And if you want to go ahead and go for the Fly More combo, Autel has got you covered because they also have that one on discount, the Evo Nano Plus with the Fly More combo, 3 batteries. Your case, that one is also going to be available for normal price is $1,100, and with the discount it's going to be just $709, which in my opinion is a phenomenal deal. So guys, those are the discounts that Autel has down. These are on the official website. Now if you prefer to buy them on Amazon, that is up to you as well. They also have those discounts on Amazon if that is your preference of choice for buying. But those are the Black Friday sale discounts of Autel. If you're expecting DJI to do something similar, I can tell you right now from the get-go, do not expect to see this kind of discounts on DJI drones. We've never seen that in the past, and I don't think this year is going to be the exception. So if you're looking for an Autel drone, I think this is the perfect opportunity. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section down below. But that is going to be a wrap for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow in a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.